the other story, we're tracking 2 soldiers were martyred in separate encounters with terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgaon district. 4 terrorists have been gunned down so far by the forces, and 4 others are believed to be hiding. The back-to-back encounters began after security forces launched anti-terrorist operations based on specific information about the presence of terrorists at 2 separate places in the district. 2 Jawans have been martyred. I just want to go across to my colleague Aravat, who's joining us right now. Aravat, take us through the latest details that we are learning of. We know that some of these terrorists are hiding inside some areas. What is the situation like? The encounter is still underway.
Absolutely, Shivangi. Security forces received their intelligence-based input yesterday afternoon that in the South Kashmir area there are some presence of terrorists. After that, the massive coordinated search operation was started by the joint security forces. And in this operation so far, this is a big win for the security forces that the 4 terrorists have been gunned down yesterday. And this time in the another operation which is under in the South Kashmir district in Kulgaon area, 1 terrorist have been killed. There are possibilities that more 2 to 3 terrorists believed to be trapped in this operation which is going on in the South Kashmir Kulgaon. If we'll talk about the both operations so far, 5 terrorists have been killed and 2 Indian Army Jawans have been martyred in this operation so far. All the entry and exit points have been completely sealed from yesterday afternoon by the joint security forces. In fact, special troopers, para-commandos were also present into the services for this operation. So far, coordinated search operation remains continue in the both operations of Kulgaon. Security forces received the multiple intelligence-based input that in this Kulgaon area there are possibility that the top Lashkar-e-Toiba commanders and Hizbul Mujahideen commanders believed to be trapped in this operation which is going on. In fact, CCTV public has access the money, CCTV and the drone visuals also. Here you can see here the 4 dead bodies lying near the operation spot, and we have seen this is the big success for the security agencies that the top commanders have also been killed in this operation, but the operation remains continue. All the top officials from the Jammu and Kashmir police and other Indian Army officials are monitoring the situation completely. This operation, we have seen yesterday that how the operation was halted yesterday late night because of the dim light, but this morning with the first light, operation has been started again. So far, 5 terrorists have been killed in 2 separate gunfights in the South Kashmir Kulgaon district and 2 Indian Army Jawans martyred. Back to you, Shivangi.
Right, Aravat is getting the top updates coming in right now. We are seeing that these are the anti-terror operations which are going on right now, and our forces have been working very hard to keep the area safe. Take us through if we know about which terror group do these terrorists belong to. We know that their elite terrorists, Hizbul terrorists, these terrorists are usually very active in the area.
Absolutely, we have seen usually in the entire Kashmir that the possibility of TRF and the Lashkar-e-Toiba, but this time we have learned from our sources that this time the group of the Hizbul Mujahideen has been trapped in this. In fact, the top commander Farooq Nali has also been trapped in this operation. We have also got to know from our sources that he was the longest surviving terrorist in the South Kashmir. In fact, he was involved in the multiple killings and attacks on the security forces. He was affiliated with the Hizbul Mujahideen group. We have already seen in the Kashmir Valley that the Mani TRF and the Lashkar-e-Toiba militants killed, but this time we have seen that the Hizbul Mujahideen group have been trapped by the joint security forces. In fact, we have yesterday seen that the special forces were called for this operation because it was very challenging for the forces to keep this fight for the entire night. In fact, we have seen the late night, the firing was continuously till the 11 o'clock in the night, and the operation started again this morning. In fact, we have also accessed the drone surveillance. The entire area has been surveillance under the drone, and other latest technology weapons have been also pushed into services, and the entire area is under coordinated search operation as of now. Yes, Shivangi.
All right, thank you so much for joining us, Aravat, with all those details that are coming in. We see that the anti-terror operations continue.